Hey all, welcome back to my channel Library. In today's video, we are going to see an important data type in Python, dictionary. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe my channel because in this channel, I'm posting a full AI course. And if you are a beginner and you are from a non-technical background, you might have a doubt if I could learn this course. You could definitely learn it because I'm teaching it from scratch. As a beginner, you can easily learn this course. Yeah, and today we are on day 11 of this course. Without any delay, let's get into the video. So, dictionary is a data type which looks in this structure. So, this is how generally a dictionary data type will look like, because it starts with a curly braces and it ends with a curly braces, inside which you will be having keys and values. So, this is a key and this is a value. So in between both keys and values, you will be having a colon, which means that every value is going to get mapped to a key. Every key in a particular dictionary. This is how a structure of dictionary will look like in Python. The reason why do we need this dictionary other than list or tuple or string? That is something that we are going to see in this video clearly. And by the end of this video, if you have any doubts, because this is quite confusing for a non-technical person, you could definitely post in comments without any hesitation, because I'm open to any doubts and I'll definitely clarify the doubts, because I could clearly understand that there may be challenges that a non-technical person can face. Yes. So, other than that, dictionary is generally an ordered data type. In technical terms, when we will call a particular data type as an ordered data type? Only when a particular element of this whole data. In dictionary, if I have more keys and values, if I could access a particular key and value based on an index value, then it is called as ordered data type. And if I couldn't take any data based on index values, then I could call that as unordered data type. Dictionary is called as ordered because I could make use of index. I could take any elements, I can remove any elements, I can add any elements. That is the purpose of ordered data type in Python. Next to which we have how the values and keys will be represented. So this is the first thing we have seen in this video, right? So apart from other data types that we have in Python, this data type is special because of a reason. It is having a unique way of representing its data. Every value will get mapped to a key. So that is the reason it is special. And apart from that, it has many applications in real life. We'll see them in this video. So you need not worry. Next to that, dictionary itself is mutable. When you will call a particular data type as a mutable data type, if you could make any changes, that is simply called as mutable. Dictionary itself is mutable, which means that I can make change to the whole dictionary. And at the next point, we have keys are immutable. What does it mean? If I create a dictionary, this is how it will look like. It will have keys and values, and it will start with curly brace and it will end with the curly brace. So if this key and value, this whole dictionary is mutable, but this particular key alone is immutable. What does it mean? I can make change to the whole dictionary, but this particular part that I have on left of my column cannot be changed. So if I try to make any changes, it will throw an error. That is how dictionary data type will work. Other than that, it will not allow duplicates too. This key part in dictionary will not allow duplicates. Duplicates in the sense, if a particular value is being repeated once again, the same exact value is repeated once again, it is called as duplicates when it comes to data type in Python. So here, if this key that I'm having as a key in dictionary, let's consider I'm having name as a key. If I try to add a same key named name, then it will not accept. It will throw an error because of a reason that it cannot have duplicates. Keys in dictionary are immutable Additionally, it cannot have duplicates. That is the reason. But what about values? Keys are immutable. It will not have duplicates. What about values? It is like a part of a dictionary. It will not follow rules because values can have any data of any type. It can have another dictionary itself. It can have another list. It can have another string. It can have any numbers. So what does it mean? If this is a dictionary, this is how a dictionary looks like. Key part is strict, but value part is a jolly type because it allows any data type that can be inserted. But key is quite strict. It cannot be changed. It will not allow duplicates. But values, it will allow duplicates. It will be changed. If you want to make any changes, it can be changed. And if I want to add any dictionary, if I want to add any string data type or something, it will accept it. Value part in dictionary will accept it. But the key part, no, it's impossible. Next to which, real life use cases. In every videos, I used to say something that's very important. If you are learning any technologies that is very important for your future, each and every concepts that you are learning in a particular technology, you should learn with real life example. For a reason, it will create an excitement inside you and you will do lot of researches. Apart from that, that's when you will start doing projects. And more importantly, you will not forget that concept if you learn with real life examples. That is the reason why you should always learn a concept with practical examples and real life case studies. So, how this dictionary data type in Python could be applied in real life? Just try to guess it, how it could be. Look at the structure of dictionary. This is how it will look like. Some people might have guessed. If you have any guesses, just pause the video and add them in comments. Let's see if you are right or wrong. Yeah. So, storing and user information could be the best example for dictionary. So, if you are having a website, how it will look like? Generally, you will enter your username colon, right side of a colon you will be entering your name, next to which you might have mail id and you will have a colon, right side of colon you will be entering your mail id. This is how a login page of every website look like, right? That is where dictionary is being used in real life too. Apart from that, where a dictionary could be used, system configuration. You ever went to your laptop settings to see how your system is looking internally? That is about models too. Do you ever discovered that? You might have your model name, you might have that particular system orientations that were written on that settings part. So have you ever discovered that? That will look like this format. You would have like model name, this laptop is from this brand and it is having these many features. It might have this many memory. Likewise, everything will be listed like this in this format. Left side you will have the model name, colon and the name of the model. That is how the configuration of every system will be mentioned if you go to settings and check. So that is where dictionary is being used in life, real life too. So like this, if you learn any concepts by comparing it with real life, you'll never forget them. Yeah, bye for now. And if you have any doubts, you can ask them in comments for sure. This is just an intro about dictionary, how dictionary will look like and what is dictionary simply. Addition to this, we have dictionary methods. I told that dictionary itself is mutable, which means I can make changes to the whole dictionary, right? So these are all the things that we need to see how it is being used in real life. That are steps that we could do with dictionary in part 2. In part 2, we are going to see about dictionary methods. Yeah, bye for now. We'll meet you in part 2 of this video.